Hi guys. This is Igorotech. Today, I will show you how to remove or hide date and time in Windows 11. Also, we can remove or hide the network and volume icons. I did a lot of process at first, but still I couldn't manage to hide the date and time. First is I checked the notification icons to turn system icons on or off, but it's grayed out, although we can see it's off, but if you look at the taskbar, it's still there. Next is I tried the local group policy editor. I enabled the setting to remove clock from the system notification area, but still no changes. Another test is through the registry. I changed hide clock value to 1, but still no luck. But luckily I managed to find a way, and I'll share with you how to hide or remove the icons on the notification area on Windows 11. Let's get started. Open your web browser. Search for WinArrowTweaker download. We will download it from the official website. You can also download these files from the links on the description below. Scroll down and look for Get WinArrowTweaker. Click on it. If this window pops up, then click Close. Scroll down again and look for Download WinArrowTweaker. Click on it to download. Now, let's check the downloaded file. The file is compressed, so you need to extract it first. Right-click on it, then click Extract All. Choose Extract. The extracted folder will automatically open. During the time of this recording, the latest version is 1.33. Double-click on it. Click Next. Normal mode is already selected, so click Next. Accept the license agreement, then click Next. We're not going to change the installation folder, so click Next. Click Next again. I want to create desktop icon and available for all users. Click Next. Click Install to proceed. Notice the shortcut icon automatically created on desktop. We are not going to run the Arrow Tweaker and visit the latest news for now, so let's uncheck both boxes, then click Finish. Next is we are going to install the OpenShell. You can also copy the download link from the description below. Paste it to your web browser. Scroll down. Click on OpenShell setup.exe to download the executable file. Let's now check the downloaded file. Double-click on it to install. Click Next. Accept the license agreement, then click Next. We only need the OpenShell menu, so we will disable the rest. Click the down arrow, then choose the X to disable the entire feature. Also disable the Classic E and OpenShell update. Only the OpenShell menu will be installed. Once done, click Next. Click Install to proceed. Click the Finish button to exit the setup wizard. Let's now run the WinArrowTweaker, which we first installed. Agree to the license agreement. Under Windows 11, click on Classic Taskbar. Check the box to enable Classic Taskbar. If you click on Enable System Icons, you can see that all of the system icons are off. Notice the notification below. You need to sign out and sign in back into your Windows session for changes to take effect. Choose I'll do it myself later. Next is we will run the OpenShell menu. Go to Start. Search for OpenShell menu. Choose OpenShell Menu Settings app. Check the box to enable Replace Start button. We have 3 options. We can use the arrow. Notice the Startup button created. Second is you can choose Classic. Lastly, you can choose Custom and click Pick Image to locate the image you want to use. For this demo, we will use arrow. Click OK once done. Now, let's restart the computer for all the changes to take effect. You can now see that the clock and date are hidden, but also the volume, the battery and the network icons has been removed. To restore or modify the system icons, open the WinArrow application. Under Windows 11, click Classic Taskbar. Choose Enable System Icons. Notice that some of the system icons' behaviors are now available. First is we will restore the volume icon. Click on the down arrow then choose On. Notice the volume icon has been restored. You can restore microphone if you want. Next is the network icon. We can also restore the battery or power icon. Well, I don't want to enable input indicator and action center, so I will leave it off. Click OK to apply. Now, let's verify if all icons are working. The volume is working fine. Let's check the Wi-Fi. If you cannot view the available networks, we have an alternative for this. Right-click on the network or Wi-Fi icon. Open Network and Internet Settings. Choose and click Wi-Fi. Show available networks. Here you can see the available networks. You can select and connect to different Wi-Fi from here. Now, if you want to restore back the original or modern Windows 11 taskbar, it's very simple. Go to Start or Search. Type regedit. Choose and click the regedit. You can copy the link on the description below, then paste it on your address bar. Hit Enter. Make sure you copied and paste the whole link. Look for the undocking disabled. Right-click on it then choose Delete. You have to confirm that you want to permanently delete the value, so click Yes. If you couldn't find the file, then do it manually. Expand the H-key local machine. Software. Scroll down and look for Microsoft folder. Expand the folder. Look for Windows. Expand the folder as well. Expand the current version. Look for Shell. Expand the folder. Click Packages. On the right side, find the undocking disabled. Right-click on it then choose Delete. You have to confirm that you want to permanently delete the value, so click Yes. Now, we have to restart the computer for the changes to take effect. After restart, it will be reverted to the original or modern Windows 11 taskbar. Notice that all the notification icons has been restored. Lastly, we have to uninstall the shell to remove the Start button created. Go to Search. Type Apps. Add or remove programs. Scroll down and look for OpenShell. Click on the three dots icon, then click Uninstall. You have to confirm that this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Click Uninstall. Click OK. We can also uninstall the WinArrow tweaker. Click on the three dots icon, then click Uninstall. You have to confirm that this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Click Uninstall. You will be asked if you want to completely remove WinArrow tweaker. Click Yes. We have completely restored the modern Windows 11 taskbar. Well, that's all for today's demonstration, and I really hope you liked this video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click on the notification bell for more amazing tutorials. Thank you and see you in the next video.